I was told that we'll be making actual lemonade and I wanted to learn how to do that.
There are lots of skills needed for improv theater that have quite some overlap with entrepreneurship. It was really cool to see how these two worlds would actually merge and overlap.
So I come from a background with university debating, and I thought this was kind of a fun way to practice that in a less serious setting.
It seemed like something I've never done before. I took on the responsibility of giving the final pitch at the end of the workshop, and we won the best prize. So I guess it made me realize that I'm good at giving pitches.
We create a safe space so people can really feel the space where they can go, try, they build, they deconstruct, they build again.
And that's really one of the key elements in LEGO Serious Play is just don't think too much and start building, and then your answers will come.
And you realize that it's actually not a bad thing to start to be aligned with your emotion. And it can help them to really find the purpose and what they really want to do in life, what they really care about.
I gained confidence today. I realized what I'm good at, and I'm sure I'll be able to apply these skills in the future.
You can meet with a bunch of different people from a lot of different backgrounds. So I've already talked to a lot of different interesting people who are doing a lot of interesting things.
Already walking in, there was this wonderful, vibrant energy in this playground.
I really love the energy in the space here. Everybody is really enthusiastic, the organizers and the students.
I really think that a physical environment can support some values, and in this case, creativity and connectivity and joy, play.